Hello everybody! First of all, I want to thank everyone for being with me and supporting me until now. And the reason I'm telling you this is because today I reached the 1000 subscribers milestone. Let's celebrate this by making a cute flower pot fridge magnet, and I shall call it 1K magnet. What do you think? I'll start by making the flowers first, and I'll use a neon pink color with some black shades, at least in this first case. I'll make some of my famous diamond teardrops for creating a tiny flower, because I need it to be small since I will put this in a small custom made pot on the fridge. After having 6 petals, I glue them together, and you could try and use a pair of tweezers here to make your life easier. I'll use what I have at hand to give this flower a 3D look. In this case, I took a mold for ice cubes, since it's round on the bottom and I can rest my glued petals there in order to be easier to shape them as I want, and also allow time for the glue to harden. I carefully apply some more glue on the top. In order to cover the gap in the middle, I'll crimp a strip of paper and then I'll roll it tight so that we'll get a nice fluffy piece to use as our flower core. Now, I had this little cup, I don't even know where I got it from, but the moment I saw it, I knew exactly what I was going to do with it. Meaning, I will convert it in a small flower pot, and for this, I will add some ribbon on it since it is transparent. I need to warn you that gluing the ribbon took me forever and it was such a tedious and painstaking job. But as usual, the result was satisfying enough to make me forget about the time and energy spent with it. So make sure you use a glue that dries fast to ease all the process. After my flour hardened enough, I added the creamed middle to it. Another 2 more, and let's start putting everything together. I'll use some polystyrene that I will glue inside the small pot to be able to stick some green wire in it, which will serve as the stem of the flowers. I believe you remember I told you about the leaves I made in time for different projects, but which ended up unused. Well, they were waiting for their day, so I didn't have to make anything else for this specific project because I chose some of these, which fit better, and I glued them in the pot. And that's it. All I had to do is put a magnet on the back side of it and it's done. How do you like the result? This little flower pot magnet is as small as the target I achieved today because I have a long way to go, but at the same time, this is a very important step, especially for my morale and my fiancé's as well, since both of us put time and passion in these videos, me with my hands and creativity, and him with all the afterwards work, editing and so on. As a side note, my achievement of today coincides with the birthday of a very good friend of mine, which also has a passion for quilling and who I am trying to convince to open a channel so she can show her own techniques. Thanks for watching, and again, thanks for being here for me, viewing, liking and commenting on my videos, asking questions, giving feedback and ideas, because without you, none of this has any sense or purpose. See you soon. Take care.